Dr. Parker. Hi.
It's Dr. Parker and Nurse Mommy. Yep. Okay. We have a few patients in our waiting room right now.
Yes.
Should I bring in the first one?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss Dino.
The Dino?
Yes.
Okay. Oh no, my tummy hurts.
What, Dino? Okay.
What? I don't know what happened, Doctor. I need a shot. No!
I kiss it.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
That
What's that for?
I need.
Okay, well, you're the doctor. Ow! 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 Oh, he has fruit snacks in there? Did you eat some fruit snacks yesterday? Oh, yeah, I did. I had a ton of fruit snacks yesterday. They were yummy.
Tummy, Dino.
Oh, yeah, that's probably why my tummy hurt. I ate so many fruit snacks.
Bye, Susan.
Yeah.
I need that.
Oh, no.
Bill.
Oh, that actually helped. I feel so much better. Thank you, doctor.
Welcome, Dino.
Okay, thank
I
you.
need that.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Miss Maggie.
Monkey, yeah. So he's here just for a routine checkup.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're gonna.
Dino.
His nose. What's in his nose?
I have it. Maggie. Dino.
Thank you. I don't know what was in there.
That's it.
Yeah.
A burger.
Oh, he had boogers in his nose. Yeah. It's not good to have boogies in your nose.
No. I choose that tummy.
Another fruit snack in the tummy?
Yes.
Oh, maybe you should listen to his tummy.
Oh. Good.
Yeah, it's good. Okay. Okay, good. Maybe check his temperature.
Yes. Oh. Doctor.
Okay.
Yeah. 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 Okay, I doctor call.
Oh, okay. This.
Here. Are you dreadful? Susan.
Oh,
That's Susan.
yeah. Okay. So no more eating fruit snacks.
Yep, I
Yeah.
can eat you.
Yeah. Because too much fruit snacks and candy is no good.
No quickie.
Oh, and no cookies?
No. Eat cookie.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, well, thank you, doctor. I won't have any sugar.
Okay, Maggie.
Bye.
Hi. Miss Daniel. Miss
Look who it is! Miss Spider-Man! Hi, Dr. Parker.
Hi, Parent.
My ears are hurting. Can you help me?
Yes. I'll shoe sack.
Did you put fruit snacks in your ears?
Almost shoe sack.
What?
Yeah.
Where did all these fruit snacks come from? Oh, does he have a temperature, doctor?
Yes.
Oh no. Oh no, we gotta pick all the fruit snacks out of his ears. He's gonna need surgery to get all the fruit snacks out of his ears.
Okay, be out.
Oh, it's out! That quick? What?
Yeah.
Okay, so no more putting fruit snacks in your ears.
Yeah.
That's silly.
Yes.
You're so silly, Spider-Man.
I see it. Mwah. I love you, Brandon.
Your favorite?
Yeah.
Alright, well we have one more patient, okay?
Miss Dino.
The Dino, yeah.
Dino.
Yeah.
Tummy hurt.
Yeah, his tummy hurts too.
Cookie.
I
Yeah.
don't know, maybe you should listen. See what's in there. My tummy hurts.
A cookie here.
You ate too many cookies, Tiger.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes.
He had too many cookies.
Oh. I like
He
cookies.
had 5 cookies.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ear.
Oh yeah, maybe check his ears.
Yeah. Almost shoe sack. Shoe sack.
What are these crazy people doing? Putting fruit snacks in their ears.
I know, Mommy.
I don't know, Dr. Parker.
Oh.
Oh, my tummy hurts. His eyes good? Okay.
That.
Oh, okay. Oh, hold on. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. Oh, good job. Good job.
I need that.
Okay. Does he have a temperature?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yep. You had just too many fruit snacks and too many cookies.
No.
Yep, so no more?
Yeah.
No more cookies and no more fruit snacks.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
The Dino again?
Yeah. Hi, Dino.
Hi, I'm back.
I'm back.
Yeah, I think I tripped over something and I hurt my foot. Can you look at it?
Yes. Oh, shit. Dino.
Yeah.
Sit.
Oh, he got something in his foot or in his knee or leg? Oh, okay. You got it all?
No.
No? Okay.
Okay.
You are a very good doctor. Yeah, what do we need the scissors for, doctor?
Oh, no.
You don't know.
I'm telling.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, that feels so much better. Another one. Oh no. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Oh, got a temperature? Oh no. I think we're gonna have to stay overnight so we can monitor you.
Look at her. Oh, what's your sack?
Wow.
Almost your
Oh
sack.
my gosh.
I'll buy your sack.
What?
Yeah.
Oh no, we're gonna have to keep him overnight to make sure he's okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I bet.
You going to the bed?
Yes.
Okay. He's in again. Why is he in again? This is our last patient for today. We helped a lot of people out. Did you get it all? Good job. All right, good job. Okay. It's all healed.
That's it.
Okay.
I'll call doctor.
Okay. Okay.
I'll call eye doctor.
Okay.
Yep. Yes, doctor. Yep, mommy. Yes, mommy. Yes, dad. Yep, mommy. Yep, mommy. I want to come.
Oh, okay.
Mommy come. I call.
Huh?
I call dad.
You'll call the tiger?
Yes. Hi, tiger.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, doctor.
I know such like a cookie.
Yeah, no more fruit snacks and cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Because I feel so.
Yep, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yep.
Yep.
I hope you liked our video.
I